Hello my friends, this is holiday season again and I'm so happy to present you this small tutorial for making holiday cards. I use pre-made card bases and I cut part of my paper by the size of my cards and other part a little bit smaller, like quarter of the inch smaller. Also I use journaling cards and paper stripes from the same paper pack. Also, I use Creative Station by Xyron to put adhesive on my biggest background parts. So I adhere them this way for all my card bases. I turn my card bases white side because I don't like to have white side ink. Also, I distress edges using Tim Holtz distress inks, so they look a little bit more accurate. Here you can see how it looks like at the end. Then I use my smaller part pieces. I go through them with my punches and die cuts, also scissors and cutting system from fish cards, just to make them a little bit more interesting and distinguishable. Then I adhere them the same way as the biggest pieces of paper. Here you can see I use character papers from my paper pad. Using several shaped die cuts, I cut them out and make these small icons to use as embellishment outside of my cards. I colored the edges of these pieces so they look a little bit more dimensional, especially on similar colored papers. And I use journaling cards for inside to put small greetings or journaling for a future recipient of the card. So here I just go through all my pre-made card bases and choose which design would look better on what background. As you can see, if you plan this carefully, you can do it pretty quickly. Biggest part of this is just choose the color combinations and mechanical work of cutting pieces and adhere them down. This is basically all the work what you would need to do. For me it was a little bit slower because of pure number of cards that I have, but at the end I was really happy with my designs. Unfortunately, I didn't think closely about the impact of color inside of my cards, so there was no real space to put your sentiment or your wishes or just put the name of recipient. So at the end I would put small white journaling cards inside, so you could put the name at least. As you can see here, we made a bunch of great looking cards really quickly and we're ready for holidays now. I hope you would have better holiday season this year than ever. I hope this tutorial was useful and you enjoy it, so please give me thumbs up. Thank you for watching again. Bye!